In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a script, analysis, or chart layout on TradingView. If you want to collaborate with someone, give access to your work, or simply share what you've built, TradingView offers a few different ways to do it depending on what you're sharing. The important thing is to start from the correct chart and then choose the right sharing method. First, open the chart that contains the script or analysis you want to share. This matters because you want to make sure you're publishing or sharing the exact version you intend others to see. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that your chart is up to date and that the script or analysis is applied correctly. Once you're ready, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Publish button. From there, select either Publish Script or Share, depending on what you're trying to send. If you're sharing a script, this is the main place where TradingView lets you make it available to others. If you're sharing chart-based analysis, the share option is typically the right path. Take a moment here to choose carefully so you don't publish the wrong item. If you're working with a PineScript invite-only script, there's one extra step. Go to your Publish Scripts section under your profile, then click Manage Access. This is where you control who can use the script. Enter the TradingView username of the person you want to give access to, and then set an expiration date if needed. That expiration setting is especially useful if you only want access to last for a limited time. Make sure the username is entered correctly since access depends on that exact account name. If instead you want to share a chart layout, look for the layout settings gear next to the layout name. Open those settings and enable sharing. After that, copy the generated link. That link is what you'll send to the other person to grant access to the layout. Before sending it out, it's smart to double check that sharing is actually enabled so the link works as expected. That's the full process. Open the correct chart, use the publish or share option for scripts or analysis, use manage access for invite-only Pine scripts, and enable sharing in layout settings for chart layouts. Follow the method that matches what you're sharing, and you'll be able to give access smoothly and accurately.